Welcome back to the Crazy Ass Redneck channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a rebuild on the racing mower. Just kind of putting everything back together, because the belt will be in hopefully really soon and it'll be driving within about a week, maybe two. But seeing as it's Crazy Ass Redneck channel, let's go ahead and get us a cheek full of Stoker's butternut. So I'm going to sit y'all down for a second and let me get some chewing. Go. Oh shit. Oh well. Fell on the mower, but oh well. 5-second rule. I'm still dropping it everywhere, damn it. Oh well, I'll sweep it up later. And then we're spitting in the orange roadie mug jug today. Alright, so first things first, we got to put the rear fenders back on because I took them off. Then probably, I don't think there's a flashlight in here. Damn it. Oh, let me pause y'all real quick and go grab my flashlight so you can see stuff better. Okay, now that I'm back, we also have to rehook up the brakes, which you can see right there. And then clutch spring right there. We're not going to put that on yet until we throw a new belt on, so we don't have to fight ourselves. So let me throw my gloves on. I'm not being a pussy, I just have a blister still healing. It's open and exposed skin, so I'll be throwing gloves on. Then I gotta keep my hands nice. I got testing tomorrow. Then I gotta go do a bunch of shit tomorrow, so today I'm wearing gloves. Don't give me a bunch of shit about this either, y'all. Okay, so let's go grab a socket set, flex head ratchet. Move that, pull this out. Okay, and also for those of you who don't know, this is the ATV mower. It's got an 18 horsepower opposed twin Briggs & Stratton, rebuilt carburetor, and then I'm going to be putting a cold air intake on top. But that's for later, not now. Just for testing purposes and throwing on the old one wherever I set it. I don't know, this place is a mess. I don't even know where I set shit half the time. Then it's got gas pedal right there. And obviously you can't see it, but the rear axle is locked, so there's no differentials. Along with, let's look up underneath. It's got a 6-inch front pulley already hooked up, but that's the wrong size belt, so we need to take that off. And then I gotta put 2 more bolts in to kind of get it down. Then the crankcase seal's all messed up, so I gotta redo that. But just for testing purposes, we're not gonna be replacing that yet. So, I think let's start with getting this rear fender on, because that's most important right now. So all we gotta do is put in those 4 bolts. These 2 for the seat suspension, then 2 down here, and 2 on the other side. So let's see if I can manage holding y'all while doing this. Gotta make sure I get the right socket, obviously. There we go. Make sure it's going the right direction. And then I'll go start threading them in. And this is not very easy holding a phone and trying to do this, so if it seems kind of sloppy or the camera works bad, I do apologize. There's one. And also, you kind of want to do it in a star formation. Kind of make sure everything's tightened down evenly. So we started with that one. So we go to the one in the corner over here. And there's not even the spacer down there. Yep, there's no spacer right there. So gotta pull out that one. And then look for the spacers. And then set them upright and probably put down those two springs first. Actually, let's grab an impact. That'd probably be easiest. Alright, let's go ahead and set this in here, then pull this whole thing off and try to find those goddamn spacers. So I gotta sit y'all down for this one. There we go. Alright, so those right there are the spacers, and they have to go directly over that threaded hole. Just kind of set those in there, set both of them in. I'm going to set you all back down again, and then put it back on. Might help if I move my mojo. Just gotta be really careful. Probably take out the springs and try to reflip it later. There we go. Oh, one slid out of place. There we go. Nice and lined up. So later on, we're just gonna tighten these down with the impact first, then hand crank tighten them later. Sorry if it's kind of loud. And one of them fell. Where did it go? Here we go, flashlight. Damn it. Might be underneath. Ugh. Shit, where'd that go? Might be on the floor over here. Nope. Son of a bitch. Oh well, we'll find it later. Till then, let's focus on the springs. There's one. And there's two. Alright, so there's that. Now we have to get the ones down near the floor panels, the quote-unquote floor panels. Let me get y'all light for this. There we go. Those two, we gotta get those two down, so I'm gonna have to pause y'all and set y'all down for this one because it requires two hands and all that happy stuff. And while y'all are on pause, oh, there it is. There's the bolt we're missing. Haha. Let's go ahead and sink that in. Alright. So let me go ahead and pause y'all. Take a glove off because these gloves kind of suck when it comes to this aspect. So let me pause y'all and go ahead and get those on. Okay, so first off, I took my pussy-ass gloves off just to let y'all know. And these 4 bolts are sunk back down in. So these are also sunk in. Let's go and grab the battery tray. Slide it in there because, well, I don't feel like keeping extra shit around. And there we go. But we're not completely done. Now we get to put back on this plate. I'm not sure the exact name. I don't know names of everything, but whatever. Just kind of stick shift lever through there. And there we go. Now I just need to refine. Oh yeah, put them up here. 2 little Phillips head screws. Probably gonna have to end up making a part 2 to this video because I've not been able to verify my account, so I can't post videos over 15 minutes. I think it's bullshit, but I get it. I get why YouTube does it, I guess. And that is, hold on. That is not in line, so now I get to finagle that thing around from underneath, or just do the easy way and pull off out of the screw. See, let me find a Phillips head. Oops. Here. Son of a bitch. Where's the fucking index? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it kind of spilled everywhere, so it's kind of a cluster mess right now. I'm probably going to reorganize it here soon. Where to set the screw? Oh, here we go. Too small. Perfect. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull out that other screw. I do apologize about the lighting. The lighting in this garage ain't the best. Should probably turn my flash on before the video. Didn't think I need it, because I can see just fine. But whatever. Alright. There we go. Let's try this again. Alright. That one's going in easy. And I got about a minute left on this video until it hits 15, so I'm going to have to hurry up with this so I can let y'all go and start on the next video. There's one. Damn it. There we go. There we go. There's that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and end this video and then start on the second one so I don't hit over 15 minutes. So I will be right back, y'all.